Once you have Python installed, you'll want to install PyCharm next. This is the IDE, or the Integrated Development Environment. We'll be using this tool extensively throughout the course, so you'll need to have this installed. It is quite large, so ensure you have a good internet connection. What you want to do is click the download button out here at jetbrains.com/PyCharm, and ensure you do not click this one. This is a free 30-day trial, but this is the professional version. So after the 30 days is up, you'll have to purchase this product here. Just scroll down the page a little bit further and download the Community Edition. Just click the download button there. I'm going to save it in my temp folder. Once it's downloaded, go out to the folder that you brought it down to and double click on the executable. Then it's going to start the install here. Just click Next on the first screen. Destination folder, I usually just accept the defaults. On this one, it puts it under Program Files, which is where I would expect it to be. Notice space required there, 1.6 gigabytes, so it is quite large. So next on this screen, create a desktop shortcut if you like. Update context menu, that's a good feature to have. And for those not familiar, if you right-click on your desktop, you see things like Open with Visual Studio or Git Bash here. There'll be one for PyCharm. That way you can right-click on a folder and open it up as a project in PyCharm. It's really handy. Create associations. Do not do that, or at least I do not like to do that, because I want to keep those .py files associated with Python itself. And add bin folder to path, I've never had to do that. So click Next. Accept the default JetBrains for the start menu, that's fine. Install. And this will take a little bit of time. So I think what I'll do is pause the video and pick it up once it's at the end here. It is finished now, so we can go ahead and click Finish, but before I do that, I'll go ahead and check to run it right now. First, it pops up this little window asking if you want to import settings. If you've had a previous installation, I'm just going to say do not import settings. And you'll see a screen like this, Welcome to PyCharm. And in a future video, I'll show you how to start the project with this new project button. In the meantime, you can take a tour, things like that if you like.